Hi, this is Jacqueline Parasetsky. Today we're going to discuss brown spots. All of us suffer with them, and all of us want to know what can we do to correct them. Well, brown spots are actually caused from the sun, and the sun is going to penetrate your skin and actually bring the brown spots out in protection. So kojic acid night creams are the most effective treating brown spots, and those of you with hydroquinone sensitivities, it's very important to know that kojic acid night cream is your best selection. So you're not going to have the sensitivities with the kojic in versus of the hydroquinone. So when applying kojic acid night cream, don't let the night cream word fool you. You actually need to apply this product twice a day. Now Debbie, our model, she suffers from brown spots, and they're very frustrating because many of us don't want them to show up in pictures. So I've recommended for her to apply the kojic acid night cream in the morning and also in the evening. Now in the morning, it's going to suppress the melanin in your skin, which are the brown spots, and make sure that they don't pop up from the sun exposure. And then at night when she applies it, it's going to actually lighten the existing brown spots. So then that way, she's going to see over a period of 3 to 9 weeks a lightening of her brown spots, and then she's going to feel more confident and radiant.